kitty cat.
Well, hello there. My name is Julie, and this is another episode of Frugal Mama Reviews. And it is almost Mother's Day, and I'm rewarding myself by being out here in the yard, doing some gardening, enjoying nature, being with beautiful things. And while I'm with beautiful things and creating and all of that, it just feels so magical. It's just so perfect as I'm in this like kind of Mother's Day is coming, I'm thinking magical things. Our good friends at Tivisiy sent us some products that I think are spectacular, including a gift for my own mother for Mother's Day, and some gift ideas for you guys, and of course, a discount code. Let's see what treasures they sent us. Oh, it is just such a glorious day out here, and there's a gentle breeze happening, and so the wind chimes, and it just feels so good to be outside. It was a long winter, okay? It was a long winter. Let's look at some beautiful, happy things, shall we? Yes? Okay. So we're starting with this one. It says, give animals a home. And look how cute it says, how are you? And this is from the High Park brand. We've gotten some fabulous things from them before, and some of this will in fact be included in our end of the month giveaway that happens over on the main channel, the Frugal Family, where we are doing a giveaway at the end of every month for a total of 12 months. So let's decide together which of these treasures is going into the giveaway. So what we have first is one of their fabulous recycled wood light ups, and come on, I went with the most perfect. There were so many choices. They have a huge catalog of absolute fabulousness. You don't have to get one with a light in it, but if you can, I mean, it's so much more fun. So of course I did. And it's a kitty cat. A beautiful kitty. And look at the details on that. Can you even? There's like a family on like a double bike with like their kitty cat following them. In front of them is another guy on a bike. How beautiful is that? I am absolutely in love with it. And then there's like a whole cityscape behind them. Isn't that beautiful? Many of you know that, somewhere around a year ago, maybe sooner, somewhere around a year and a half ago, a cat came into our lives, waltzed right into our house and staked her claim, and she is Furnicus, and we love her. Anyway, that seemed absolutely perfect, so I'm like, yeah, we're getting the kitty cat. After the sun goes down, we will plug that in and see how beautiful it is. So stay tuned. Who are we? This is about High Park, the makers of these beautiful light up or not light up wooden figures. High Park is a home decor brand that started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet as well as wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place. I mean, perfect, absolutely perfect. That's the kind of company I can get behind. Every piece we sell, every piece they sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we are committed to giving to nonprofit organizations that help make this planet a better place. Better planet, better life. Yes, of course, there will be a link in the video description. Then I was able to choose, look how fun this box is, isn't that gorgeous? I was able to choose several fun things. And one of them, let me just go ahead and show you. Let's just go ahead and show you what I got for my mom. A song that we love, that means a lot to us, is Baby O' Mine, or Baby of Mine, which is from Dumbo, Disney's Dumbo. And the newest version from the live action CGI Dumbo, that version of Baby of Mine, just, plus there are other connections to it. Anyway, not going to get into all those. We'll get way too emotional in here, and we're not doing that right now because we're out here and it's beautiful. Anyway, it is this gorgeous handmade wooden carved puzzle, and so it's an elephant, but then look, there's a little baby elephant right there. Come on, that's Ridiculous. Just, whoo! So hopefully my mom is not watching this video, because this gorgeousness is her Mother's Day present. And I hope she loves it. Woo! Okay. All right. Okay. Then, this is one of the Tivisiy branded. The website is Tivisiy, but they do have obviously other brands under their umbrella. But this one has this gorgeous little Tivisiy bag that we can reuse or use it as a gift bag. And in here, oh, these are bigger than I expected. Oh, these are awesome. Okay, remember, be thinking about what you want to see go into the giveaway. Although there's enough here for like several giveaways, okay, to like include them in several different giveaways. So for starters, we've got some earrings. Actually, there's several pair of earrings. Several. Okay, these are little bumblebees. Look how freaking cute these are. Also, apologies if my hands are like dirty. I've been gardening, okay? I'm out here enjoying the day. It's a gorgeous day. Anyway, aren't those beautiful? Little bumblebees. Then, and these are huge. They're earrings, but I almost think these could be like Christmas tree ornaments if you wanted to. Either way, you wanna wear big earrings? You wear big earrings. See, nothing wrong with that. But they are gorgeous carved dragonflies. Look at that. Oh man, that is some big, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those are fabulous. Anyway, but seriously, they could totally, or they could work as a pendant, like as a necklace if you wanted. If I can get them back into the bag. I might be able to. Or I won't be able to, and that's okay. That's okay. Then there's something very channel specific, very Julie specific, and if you've been with us for a long time and you've watched like all of our videos across our 3 channels, oh sorry, you're gonna hear like cars and stuff. Yeah, I'm outside. Nothing I can do about that. That's why I'm wearing the microphone. Then you'll understand why I chose this gorgeous little hand-carved figure. Llama face! Llama face! Don't you love that face? Come on! How gorgeous is that? There are so many other animals, figures, whatever, but I had to go with the llama. And just look how beautiful that is. Isn't that gorgeous? That is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with that. That would be a really fun one to put in the giveaway, just because it is like so me, you know? Or it could go on my shelf. That would be okay too. All right, there are 2 more things, and I'm trying really hard to decide which one to show you first, because they're both awesome. Okay, let's start with the earrings. First, they come in this just beautiful little box, and okay. You guys know I love me some Halloween, I love me some spooky, and I love me some Edgar Allan Poe. So these earrings, stop it. I mean, it's a little raven or a crow. Come on, look at this, look at it. Come on, come on. Those I think I have to keep for me. So I'm sorry, but they are not gonna be in the giveaway, but you'll see me rocking them here soon. Those are fantastic. And they have like a rose with them. Those are amazing. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. And they're heavy, but not too heavy enough that you know they're not like made out of garbage. You know what I mean? These are good stuff, but not too heavy to like pull your earlobes down. Okay, the very last item. Speaking of earrings, I have some fabulous earrings that Elizabeth, one longtime viewer and friend, her and Bonnie and their family, been with us forever. Anyway, but Liz made me these fabulous little squirrel earrings years ago. You'll see me wearing them all the time, little silver squirrels. Those are from Liz, okay? And the reason is because I have such severe ADD and ADHD, whatever. ADHD, I think, is my actual diagnosis. And so I am constantly, squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Long time joke, she made those for me. So then I saw these little tiny figures that are like these, but not all lit up. They're just little tiny ones that are meant to be like ornaments, or they could, you know, be on your shelf. And it's the same idea, made by the same people that do these. So made out of the recycled wood with sustainable paints and all of that. And this one, just gonna get it out and show you. This has to go in one of the giveaways. I think we have no choice. I think that's what has to happen with this one, because, okay, so one, here's the like hemp twine to hang it, but Liz, Bonnie, are you watching? Check this out. It's a squirrel and she going nuts. What else is in this? It's like a whole forest. I think there's even like a little chicken up on top of there. Like little teeny tiny details. And you guys know I love the little details, little miniatures. That is so awesome. Oh, and there's a little bird. There's a little bird up in the tree. What else? That might even be a little like bird house there. I don't know. That's gorgeous. And even a mushroom. So yeah, a little ornament. This one has to go in the giveaway. Come on, this has to. This is fantastic. In fact, we have got to get more of these. These need to be in the giveaways because these are freaking fantastic. That's ridiculous. Come on, stop it. Stop it. And that is another of the High Park, like I said, made all out of recycled wood, made with their own original designs, and they are fantastic designs with all kinds of detail, made with sustainable paints. I mean, it's just a great company with a great message, great ethic, and a fabulous mission that they are actually like following through with and making happen and sticking to what they practice what they preach. Okay. And I think that's wonderful. And I'm grateful to again have the opportunity to be working with them. I mean, I can't complain. I am super duper happy and so excited to be rocking these fabulous earrings and giving this to my mama. Oh. Mother-daughter relationships can be very tricky things, you know. I'm thinking about that as Mother's Day's coming up and like, you know, stuff in the family and things and life. But I'm so grateful for my mom. Ooh, we weren't gonna do that, were we? I love her so much. We don't always like each other, but the love that we have is real, and nobody can take that away. So, thank you, Tivisiy, along with High Park, for providing these just freaking awesome, fabulous, gorgeous goodies, including a gift for my mom for Mother's Day, and some fabulous potential goodies for our frugal friends. I mean, I'm so happy. The weather is gorgeous. Wonderful things are happening. Please do check the link in the video description. Please click on that. Please visit the Tivisiy website. I would appreciate it so much. They have so many goodies. You will find something there that you will love. Their customer service is amazing. I have been thrilled every step of the way and look forward to working with them again. Oh, you matter. Whoever you are watching this video. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for being part of my adventure, my life, my existence. I'm grateful for you. I'm grateful that you exist and are part of this world. Anyway, have a beautiful day. We'll see you all real soon.